Hello tree lovers, Joel Mizell here with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. Take a look at this finished look. This was a big bed full of stuff that did not matter at all. We wanted to turn this entire property into a feel of an estate. And this is part of that process. This is a triple trunk ribbon palm. And we took all that other junk out, kept the design of the bed, put the tree in, and installed this white Alabama marble as a ground cover. No plants will go in these beds. We'll put some larger stones in here. Over here is another triple trunk with the Alabama marble, same kind of tree. These two trees frame this part of the entryway into this home. Isn't it beautiful? We're the Tree Planters. Check us out at thetreeplanters.com.